Okay, these two right here are solving for equations and inequalities. So we're going to isolate the x on one side. Okay, so right here we're going to distribute the -5. So if I multiply 5 times this, I get negative 27.25 plus 15.5x equals, distribute the negative 6.2. So negative 6.2 times 2.5. I get negative 15.5. X equals, this is a -5, isn't it? So this right here will be a negative. I'm sorry about that. So a negative times a positive is a negative, a negative times a positive is a negative. This will be a negative. This right here, a negative times a positive is going to be a negative. And 6.2 times 1.9 is 11.78. Okay, so I'm going to move my 15.5x over here and my 27.5 over here. And my x's are going to cancel out, aren't they? And then plus 27.75. So 27.25 minus 11.78. So right here we're going to get 0 equals 15.47. This is false. If your x's cancel out and these don't equal, then the answer is no solution. That means nothing will work when you plug it in. Okay, right here, the negative distributes, so we're going to get negative 8x minus 4 equals, the 4x drops, and we're going to distribute the negative 2. So negative 12x minus 4. Now then I need to group these. So negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 8x minus 4. Notice that these are the same, right? So this right here is infinitely many solutions. This could happen on Staar, okay? You could get no solution or you could get infinitely many. Now then let's do this one. We're going to distribute the 3/4. So if you multiply this, you get 3x plus 3 plus 1/2 x equals, we're going to distribute 1/4. So we'll have 7 over 4x plus 3 plus 7. Now then my bottom numbers 2 and 4. So the common denominator would be 4. I'm going to get rid of the fraction real quick. So I'm going to multiply everything in the equation by 4. And when I do that, I'm going to get rid of these fractions. So 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1/2 is 2. Equals, these 4's divide out, 7x. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, so 12x plus 2x is 14x plus 12 equals 7x. And this will be plus 40. Move my 7x to the left, my 12 to the right. I'm going to get 7x equals 28. Then divide by 7, and I'm going to get x equals 4. Okay, so the key here is to get rid of those fractions right here. It makes it a lot easier.